Hi, welcome to the Adventures of Cubs Flip Flops.
Hi, I'm Tob from the Adventures of Cubs Flip Flops.
We are currently giving you a quick room tour of our apartment at Butlins in Skegness. We are in the standard accommodation. We're at Ocean Point Headland Drive. We're
107.
We're in 107. We paid £45 for this from Monday to Friday. That's for the three of us, not each. That's for the whole holiday. So I'm going to show you what £45 a week holiday gets you. Bear in mind, we've just looked, this same accommodation in April, mid-April, costs from Monday to Friday over £500. And we paid £45 for the week. And before I show you around, if I paid £500 for this, I think I'd be carrying a little bit. Yes. I'll show you why. But for £45 we can't complain.
No.
We did have some mishaps, which I'll also tell you about as we're going along, where we did have to get housekeeping in to sort for us, but we'll tell you about that in a moment.
Yeah.
What did you want to say? First,
we have some stickers on the door.
Stickers on the door. Right. So if we come in, you do have a coat hook. And we just plonked your shoes down there. Do you want to show us in your bedroom first?
Oh, yeah, of course. Not the weird yellow thing on the floor.
Weird yellow, oh yeah, some weird stain thing on the floor. This is Cub's bedroom. Yeah. So we push the beds together so he doesn't fall out. So you get two singles in here. Very basic. A picture on the wall.
And also a prize Daddy got me from the arcade with a sensory toy.
Cub's little prize he got. Let me show you the storage.
Yep.
You've got open wardrobe. Got enough storage. You also, I don't think I dare show you under the beds. I'm not checked under there. We've got these beds, plenty of room to put your suitcases under, which are perfect. So yeah, very basic. This is the single room. You've got little storage heaters, and it does keep it nice and toasty.
Never.
Woohoo!
And so Mummy, show us in your bedroom.
This is our bedroom.
Yeah. There's Nardle.
Oh, that's Nargle. We won Nargle today.
Yeah, because I love it.
Double bed.
Yeah.
Picture on the wall again. Yeah. You do have plugs both sides. I'll show you the
another mirror.
Another mirror and another me.
Oh, and also there's a light up there.
You do have oh yeah, it does work. Light for your mirror. You've got your dressing table. That is my hairdryer. The rooms don't come with hairdryers, so you have to bring your own.
Yeah.
You do get an ironing board and an iron. Let me just shut the door a minute, Cub. So storage for this room. Why we're in here, when we got here, we pulled down the blankets, and there was a massive, it looked like an old blood stain, and I mean massive, in the middle of the sheet. So we pulled the whole quilt off, and there were stains all over it. So we took that off, and then we noticed there was I don't know what it was, but an awful stain on the bed base. It was absolutely disgusting. It was vile.
Also, here's the view.
So we
here's the view.
Can't see the view, it's dark.
So
we got in touch with housekeeping.
Yeah.
And they came and had a look, and then brought brand new beds up. Not just clean blankets, they brought brand new beds in the cupboards, didn't they? So now we got a brand new bed, brand new blankets, everything was nice and clean, thank goodness, because as you'll see, it wasn't very nice at all. There is a stain on the curtain. I don't know what that is.
It looks a bit like poo.
Everywhere was dusty.
Yeah.
We went shop and I brought some cleaning products and actually gave everywhere a clean first. I didn't want to put my clothes on. This was thick with dust, as is the top, as was Cubs as well, so we had to dust all them down.
Milk stain on the door.
Don't know what that is.
Yeah.
There's funny marks all over the place, honestly. I can't show you everything, I'll be here all day.
And
The
then
carpets are filth there. You can see the clean bit, I don't know if it shows up. There's a clean patch there. I really can't see if it shows. But it wouldn't hurt just to give it a quick going over with a carpet shampoo.
And then.
Oh, go on then. The bathroom. Don't come with ducks. This is Cub's collection that he's won while he's been here. I think we're going home with every duck in Butlins. Hey!
Other than the laughing duck.
So you've got you just get a small sink, small shower, does the job. Not very powerful, but it's enough to keep you clean.
Yeah.
Oh, right, where's next? Come on, tour guide. Oh, you've got a radiator as well. So it's nice and toasty in there. Living room's next.
Yeah.
There's a daddy flip-flops, modelling the sofa.
Yeah. Also, this
Another
is
little
my
picture.
spot.
The sofa's quite comfy, to be fair.
And,
It is a comfy sofa.
and also, it's normally covering over this stain here.
Yes, we have a
So
lovely...
it's normally
Don't even
there.
know what that is. I don't want to know what that is. There's quite a few of them, to be fair. Another storage radiator. I don't know what that is. I don't know what a lot of things are.
Yeah, there's a TV.
Yeah, we have a TV,
The remote is different to the actual TV.
but it works.
Yeah, I have.
You've got your dining table, kitchen that comes with a microwave, toaster. You've got a little dustpan and brush.
Cutlery and stuff.
Yeah, you get all your cutlery. Fridge, freezer, pots and pans. I had to give all them a wash before I used them because they were disgusting. I had to also give these a wash before I used them because I don't think they'd been used for a while. There was lipstick marks around the glasses. There was all dust and grime in the bowls. Everything I used, I had to give a wash before.
And there's lots of limes there in the kettle.
Yep. Let's not talk about the kettle. We've not used the kettle all week. Oh, the lime scale was growing lime scale.
What's weird is we came in on Monday and we were the first in this room since it closed last season.
Yeah, this is the first. It's been shut for about 3 weeks after New Year. This was the first time it's opened.
And it's still like that.
The table was really grotty. The floor hadn't been cleaned.
Yeah, you cleaned up the floor.
I went round and mopped as much as I could. There was cobwebs. You can't see it, the curtains are shut. Cobwebs in the window. That's the extract fan. I don't know. We only paid £45, but
we can't grumble for that. But if you paid,
but if you're paying £500 for this,
when it's in season, yeah,
you're not going to be too happy. The state we got this left in, to be fair, you're not going to be happy. You don't expect things to be filthy, and you have to clean it yourselves. And it's little things, just like mopping the floor. It takes 2 minutes, or just rubbing a duster over the shelves where you're going to put your clothes. But once we've cleaned it all up, it's been fine. It's just somewhere to sleep ahead. Sleep ahead? Put ahead while we sleep. But it was okay, wasn't it? So what do you think? The beds are comfy. Little on the small side, as we're spoiled at home. We're a big, giant super king. So I felt a little claustrophobic with 2 people in them little tiny beds, invading my space.
Yeah, it was fine. The beds are comfy enough.
They are comfy. So I think we've got everything. Have we?
There's another picture on the wall.
Also you have to bring your own towels, as they don't supply any. So make sure you bring your own towels. You do get a small tea, coffee, sugar pack when you come in, but bring lime scaler cleaner for the kettle. You get a small tub of washing up liquid and a sponge and a tea towel. Is one of our Complete Flops mugs, which you don't get with a room. I like to bring my own because the cups are never big enough, so I like a proper cup of coffee.
You also bring your own pillow.
What else? I bring my own pillow. I think that's it. that I could, if there's something that I've not mentioned,
The sink?
just ask. But I think the sink, yeah, you get the sink. You don't need to bring the kitchen sink.
No, obviously.
No. So I think that's it. We've covered everything.
I think so. Yeah.
So this is the.
And also my toy from the toy
Oh, go on then.
So what would it be? What would it be? It's a little fox.
You've got a little Minecraft box from the toy shop.
Yeah.
So this has been our room tour for standard accommodation at Butlins Skegness.
Yeah.
It's our very honest review. But they just need a bit of TLC. They're very run down.
I want to end it with the dogs.
Yeah, the whole resort needs a TLC. It's just little things that don't take 2 minutes. Just the more you look, you more than see. So don't look.
They spend like 2.5 million on the Sky.
On the Sky Park, yeah.
Where they could have spent a fraction of that, like sorting the rooms.
Just licks of paint and
yeah, like the rooms
an extra 5 minutes cleaning and.
There's so many places you walk past and you see the paint flaking off, or it's
It looks very, the whole of Butlins looks very tired and run down and does need some TLC. But despite all that, we paid £45 for the 3 of us, Monday to Friday, and it got us away.
I am not complaining.
And we've had a really good week.
I'm very happy with it. 45 quid.
Yeah. Wouldn't be happy if I'd paid 500 quid. That'd be a whole different story. But we've had a good week.
Yeah, and I want to end it with these ducks.
And he wants to end the video with the ducks. So we hope you liked our little room tour.
Yep, our very honest room tour.
Very honest room tour, yeah. There will be plenty of Butlins videos up for you to check out. We'll link them in the description below. But now it's time to go because we need to pack up. We're off home in the morning. So thanks for watching the Adventure of Cubs Flip Flops.
For the love of memories, see you on the next adventure. Bye. But this time not in a dirty room.
Goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with our adventures.